you go.
Thanks.
Bye.
I love you.
What'd you tell Chuck?
That you're a cold-blooded killer. Was I lying?
No. The way I figured the only two people that knew the doctor was coming are right here. Since I didn't, Captain, you're under arrest.
Pig.
She's so hot.
It is never okay to murder a woman's souffle.
You know what? Let me talk to him.
Casey, hey, maybe,
Tell me exactly what Casey said.
nothing, everything is okay.
Makeup sex. Nice.
What did he tell you?
That you killed Dr. Zarno and poisoned a bunch of French diplomats?
They're blaming me for
If
Zarno?
you're planning on hurting me, even to prove a point, I think you should know I have a very low threshold for pain.
And you believe Casey?
Tell me about the French diplomats.
They were French assassins, and they were after me, but I got to them first, and you know what? I'm kind of glad that I did. Chuck, do you really think that my name is Sarah? I never asked you to believe me. I asked you to trust me. This doesn't make sense. If Casey didn't kill Zarno, then
What are you doing?
I have to go right now.